In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infinity Core here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to go ahead and get the Infinity Core, you need to farm the Limitless Sorcerer boss. To find this boss in the first place, make your way over to these teleporters, interact with it, and go to Shibuya Station. Now, this boss pretty much spawns right down here. It's the Gojo boss. This is the guy you want to go ahead and continuously farm, just like so. And as you can see on here, the Infinity Core is one of the more rare drops that you can get, with the drop rate only being about 7.86%. India has other rare items on here as well, so you're probably not going to get it every single time. But essentially just keep farming this guy over and over and over again until you get it. It doesn't look like I got it right there, so unfortunately I'd have to wait 5 minutes for him to spawn back in. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on though. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.